So I've been following Jeff's tutorials. This one in particular added credible emphasis animations to a storyline with the GSAP. And in it, he tells you to go into the inspect tools and find the data model ID. It's a long process, and I'll just do that real quick. So if I go to inspect and I grab this bunny, this is the bunny right here, and I go up until it goes until I can't go up any further, and then in this slide object you can go find the data model ID. This is a good way to identify objects in Storyline, but that may be a little bit difficult for some people to have the courage to go inside Inspect Tools. So what I've done was create this really cool function that goes into that. You temporarily can use a accessibility a name to identify this. So if you don't know what that is, you can use this for 508 compliance. You got accessibility right here. Right now I've named it dogs, cat, and bunny. You should put something in there that makes sense for people that need to use the accessibility tags, not for programming necessarily. But in this instance, we're just doing it temporarily. So I use this function to get getDataIdOfElement of dogs, cat, and bunny. So I just have that function. You can change that. You can change these altText to whatever you need them to be, or add more. You just copy that and paste that as many times as you need. If I go to preview now, what I would do is go to inspect, console, and you have this text right here. So you can copy that, and I have it right here already. So copy that, mute that. You can now change the tags if you need. And then in here, I'm just going to temporarily paste that right here, copy the model IDs and replace them with yours. If you have more or less, you follow this chain and create it how you need it to. So copy this one of these sections. Let me just make it wider for you. And you'd replace this over and over and over again until you have the last one. You have enough. The last one doesn't have a comma. That's all you need to worry about. So hit that, press OK, press preview. Now it has just animations on it, and that's another way you can quickly identify what those data ID models are. Thank you for watching.